Nicovald Agroliar. Hi guys, I'm back with a new episode video within this day. Every Saturday, 8 a.m.
Remember of this video, please refrain from taking pictures and re-uploading my videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe button to see new notification bell too. Every Tuesday and Saturday, we premiere this video for the episodes, and then, every Monday and Friday had a vacant for this year, 2026. Thank you.
Hindi ko nakikita. Up in the air. Ayan. Go in Ay, hindi na sumasayaw yung nasa likod. Ayan. Mamaya kayo sasayaw. Unahin po kayo sasayaw. Alright. Soda Pop. Sino nakakalam na? You're my soda pop. My little soda pop.
Business Incorporated presents the features of the bus. Luggage rack. You can use this to store your bags and things. Just refrain from putting liquid containers in the luggage rack as they might spill.
Ayan, di ba? Nakalagay dyan,
Air nozzle. This is where the cold air comes out from. You can adjust the nozzles. One for you and one for your seatmate.
Okay, meron tayong air nozzle. Next natin is
reclining chair. It has a button or lever on its side that you can pull or push, and then push your chair at the same time to recline your seats. Remember to say the magic word, "Excuse me," before reclining your seats.
ayan. Nakita na ba?
karaoke time. Your tour facilitator will assist you. Just pick your song and sing it with your classmates. So your trash, use a temporary
Ayan,
trash bag. The tour facilitator will collect them from time to time. Avoid littering in the bus. The bus is equipped with CCTV for your safety, fire extinguishers for emergencies, and glass hammers for evacuation. Travel and Tourism Services Incorporated. Travel with the pros. How to use the fire extinguisher. Step 1.
ayan.
Check to make sure the extinguisher you have on hand is correct type of extinguisher.
5 common types of fire extinguishers. These are labeled using standard letter or picture symbols that correlate to the type of fire they are designed for. A multi-purpose extinguisher rated A, B, C is recommended for home use. If you're purchasing one for a business, consider what class of fire your business may encounter using this chart.
Step 2. The extinguisher on hand must be 6 to 8 feet away from the fire.
Stand back 6 to 8 feet and face the fire. Remember to keep your back towards the exit you previously identified, just in case you need to make a safe exit.
Step 3. Fast method. Pull the pin so that you're able to discharge the extinguisher. Aim the extinguisher nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeezing the lever will stop the discharge. Sweep by pointing the extinguisher at the base of the fire. Move the extinguisher from left to right or back and forth in a sweeping motion until the fire is out. When the fire is out, continue to watch it to ensure it does not reignite. If the fire comes back, repeat the fast method.
Keeping the nozzle pointed away from you, you want to pull the pin by twisting, releasing the locking mechanism, and pulling the pin out. Aim low. Point the nozzle of the extinguisher at the base of the fire. Squeeze the lever slowly and evenly. Sweep the nozzle from side to side.
How to use a glass hammer.
By up here in the corner. And I don't know if you can see this, but I have no glass on the inside. With that smashed, I'm gonna have to push on the window.
Ayan, nakita nyo ba? So, ayan, first rule natin, meron bang IDs lahat? Yes! Like Ate Za, merong ID. Can you show Ate Za your IDs? Yes, very good oh. Dahil dyan.
Program Travel and Tourism Services Incorporated presents Bus Rules and Regulations. Rule number 1. Always remember your bus number and bus company name. These are good to know information since we are not the only guests visiting the said venues. Rule number
Ayan, bus rule. When you go down the bus, meron po tayong 2 lines. One for the girls and one for the boys.
2. Whenever we go down the bus, we must always form 2 straight lines. One line for the boys and one line for the girls. If there are parents or guardians, have one line for parents and guardians and another one for students. Rule number 3. Always always wear your school ID. Rule number 4, you are accountable for your valuables. Please check them before going down the bus and before you leave the venue.
With the group, so hindi lang tayo dito hindi kayo buong section, di ba? Okay. So wala pong lilipat ng other bus. Bus number 3 lang ang susundan nyo lagi sa venue.
Rule number 5, always stay with the group. We are strictly maintaining head count inside and outside the bus. Rule number 6, we highly discourage buying food and trinkets from sidewalk vendors. Also, we do not allow vendors to board the bus for safety and security reasons. Rule number 7,
Next rule,
everyone must participate in all the activities inside and outside the bus. Prizes and souvenirs will be given away. Rule number 8, remember to practice road safety when going down the venues.
then sa lunchtime po natin, wala na pong tatawid. Meron tayong designated lunch venue.
Rule number 9, treat your tour guides with respect. Listen to them and follow their instructions at all times.
Of course, we want you to enjoy this once a year na trip. So, pa-follow natin lahat ng rules para on time tayo lagi. Okay po ba yun? Nag-gets po lahat? Any questions?
Rule number 10. Lastly, enjoy this day and make this a memorable one, especially if your parents are with you.
Emir, bawal yung cup.
Emir, bawal daw may copy, Emir. Nahihilo pa yun.
Bawal daw po manila.
Pwede naman po mag-take po ng picture or video.
Bus 3, forward dito. Bus number 3.
Hindi yun.
Dapat naman ano tayo, dapat study hard tayo kasi sinisipin mo mga kasama natin. Ay, Paul Miller dito pre.
Ayan, ito po yung Carriedo Fountain. Ang Carriedo po, galing po yun sa beneficiary ng water pipes. Kaya Carriedo po yung name ng water system nila. Carriedo Water Station. Kaya merong Carriedo Fountain.
Guys, kusend na lang na notes nyo. I don't really know.
May camera.
Makikita niyo po, meron ba ito lang sa model? Ay, gusto ko rin.
Forward to todo.
Nilagyan ko na lang sa loob kasi.
Hi, sir! Po. Hello po.
After na yun, lunch time na. Pero kung mag-grab, pero syempre, stay time kayo. Kasi mahaba-haba pa rin. Huwag na po umakyat. Bawal po umakyat. Attention na. Attention ba yan? Parang medyo pa ano nga, tutong na yan. Basti, dito lang takot. Dito lang muna tayo. Bus number 3, dito lang tayo. 4-2 lines. Ikaw.
Ayaw mo kasi itong TV.
Uy!
Jo, sini tayo, Jo.
Picture tayo dito. Dito tayo nakaupo. Kaya nga. Dai, picture tayo, Dai. Andra, picture tayo kay Vicente. Nakaupo.
No! No! Ano si Chester? No! Wala kasi Chester. Wala. Patayin nga lang ko, Pep. Pixie!
Wala lang boses. Ayun na, katanalad kayo.
Ayun sila!
Abot na yan, tol.
Yan, law! Start mo, play mo. Play mo lang!
Tayo ko na nakaupo. Subukan nyo naman kung ngayon ay pagkakagalaw at pagkamanalangin.
Uy, ano ba?
Go na.
Tapo muna tayo dito.
May narinig talaga ako muna na una eh. Gotcha. Wait lang. Uy, ano ba? Diba? So tired. Kung siya sinuli na yun eh. Ayun. Okay. Okay. Hirap na kami sa mga kaibigan. Hirap siya sabihin ako. Hindi na naman. Hirap sabihin ako sa iyo. Hindi kasi sa'yo. Wala akong pwede. Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Our field trip today. As we travel back home this evening, please grant us safe passage and protect us on our journey. We are grateful for the beauty of the Philippines and the knowledge we have gained. Bless our families awaiting our return and guide us always in your love and grace. Amen.
So that's our prayer for before you go home. Closing reminders naman po.
Sunrise Travel and Tourism Services Incorporated presents reminders for unloading. Number 1. Gather your things early. Check your seats for bags, phones, and other items before the bus stops. Number 2. Listen to instructions. Follow your teacher or guide on when and where to enter. Number 3. Wait for a full stop. Only stand up when the bus has completely stopped. Number 4. Move in an orderly manner. No pushing or rushing. Stay in line and exit calmly. Number 5. Thank your guides and drivers. A simple thank you goes a long way. Number 6. Watch your step. Hold the handrail and check for vehicles when stepping off. Get home safely and rest well. On behalf of the entire ProPrime Travel and Tourism Services Incorporated team, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for choosing us as your travel partner for today. It has been a pleasure having you on board, and we hope that your experience was enjoyable and comfortable. Once again, this has been ProPrime Travel and Tourism Services Incorporated. Travel with the pros. Mabuhay!
So thank you for watching of our show. Please like, share, and subscribe button to see new notification bell too. See you next time. Bye. I hope you to enjoy the field trip.